Happy evening, children. Uh, Now we will do an activity on proving the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. A bounded, two-dimensional, bounded, four-sided figure is called a quadrilateral. You can see it on the screen. I have a quadrilateral here. I'm going to prove that the sum of all the angles, sum of the four interior angles on this quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. I have randomly taken a sample. The quadrilateral may be of any shape. It may be of any special types of quadrilateral also, a parallelogram, a rectangle, or whatever it is. I have randomly chosen a scalene quadrilateral. All four sides are different, all four angles are different. So by choosing this kind of a quadrilateral, I am going to prove that the sum of the angles is equal to 360 degree. So I'm just taking this, making it little bigger. Okay, this is the quadrilateral I have taken. I will just mark all the angles in that. So for that I am just taking to shape this angle. I'm going to draw it here. This is this angle. Sorry, it is not coming. I'll just have to take it the other way. I'll take it from here to here. It will be okay now. This is that one angle. I'm going to mark the other angle. This is the other angle. This is the third angle. No, this is not working. I'll have to go from down to up. Then another one. Like this. And this one, I'll just undo this because this one hasn't come properly. I'll have to leave it here. That's it. Okay, the fourth one here like this. I marked all the four angles. I'll fill them with some colors too. So for this I'll take the brushes and there is an option called fill. This fill option I have taken. First I will take the blue color. Okay, this blue color. Okay, I will just fill this one as with blue. Okay, then next I'll just apply some other color for this. So I'll take a red. I'll fill up this one with red, and the next one I'll take a green. So this third one with a green, I have filled it. Fourth one I will take it with a saffron or yellow. Okay, the four angles are colored. Now I would like to take and select, change the cursor. I'll separate all the four angles separately. Before that I would like to color this portion also. For that I'll take some say light color like this and I fill it with this one. This center portion of this is colored this one. Okay. Now I'll just make it horizontal. There are four sides. One of the sides. Okay, I'll first separate the angles. So first I am taking this angle and I can separate it now. After selecting it, I have separated it here. and then second angle this one. This is the second angle. Okay, I can separate it here separately. And then the third angle, I'll take it from here. The third angle, this I have brought here. And then this is the fourth angle. All the four angles I have taken separately. Okay. This extra unwanted portion I am just going to delete it. I would like to arrange all these angles and I must get a circle. If I am getting a complete circle after arranging all these colored angles, if it comes out to be a without overlapping, without leaving any gap, if I put them with all these angles having the common vertex and all the arms are same, that way I can just check that it is exactly this. So for that, if it makes a circle, means the sum is equal to 360, because you know that the angle at the center of a circle is 360 degrees. So first, for this purpose, I'll take this and make it horizontal just by rotating. I am going to make this arm a horizontal one, so I am just rotating it. I'm rotating it and making it horizontal. Okay, now I will just click outside and see whether it is horizontal or not. For that, I will just see here. I've taken this. This is the angle I am just taking. No, the arms are thick, so it will be just a disturbance. So I am just taking it separately. Okay, and I am going to delete this one. This extra portion going to something. See. So likewise, I can erase this thickness, remove the thickness in this also, just by rotating it. I will again rotate it. I'll rotate it, make it horizontal. After that, again I will just click it to see here, and this extra thickness is removed. So, but I have not reduced the angle here. Actually, only to reduce it, I have made this portion. So this is it. I can remove this extra thicknesses in all these. Okay. So now I have this. See here, it's a perfect horizontal one. Okay. You need not alter it anyway. Now I am going to bring this one here. So before that, I would like to trim the thickness of the arms of this yellow angle. So for that, I will just make one of the arms as horizontal. After making it somewhat horizontal like this, I can leave it. I can click outside to remove it. If I see it, see here again that it is horizontal. I am just removing the extra thickness of the horizontal arm. I can just make it up so that I can just remove this thickness, delete it. Okay, and again I will have to remove the thickness of the other arm. So I am just going to rotate it about so that this arm is horizontal. It gives horizontal. Now if I check it with this selection, I will be able to say, yeah, here also the thickness is removed. It is exactly horizontal, but it is not horizontal. We just have to rotate it little 1 degree. No, 1 degree to the right, not 2 degrees. It should be 1 degree. Yeah. Now it is rotated. After rotating it, I will again do the selection. Now it is exactly, see that vertex, everything is on line. I can just remove the extra thickness of the other arm, the yellow angle. So I am removed this one also. Remove extra thicknesses are removed. Now I just have to align this to with this one. So for that I will have to just rotate this so that the upper arm becomes something like this. After that I'll just take this one. I just have to align it, rotate it a little this way, 1 degree. Okay. Now if you take it, see here, yeah, it is okay, but it is not correctly chosen. I'll just take this point. No, it is still, there is a gap here. If you see here, I just have to align it properly. So I'm just taking it. Yeah, now it is touching and coming. Okay. So now it is there here. I can just drag it here, drag it here, drag it here, over here, drag it over here, and I can put it in line. I cannot remove that one, but I can just keep the vertices of both the yellow and blue angles coincide, and you see I can just click it. Okay, here we see is no, it is not exactly aligned, so I can again make it work. No, it is not exactly selected. I just have to go little. Yeah, now it is okay. So I can just make it go up. Yeah, now there is no gap. Both the vertices are selected. So there is no gap. Yellow and blue angles merged. Similarly, now I will have to, the third angle needs to be fit in. So for that purpose, what will I do? I will just trim the arms to remove the extra thicknesses. For that, I will be just rotating it so that this arm is horizontal. It is not exactly horizontal, so I am just trying it. Now it's okay. After that, I will click outside. If I see it, this green angles, the base arm, it is not exactly, yeah, it is okay. It is almost okay. I can remove it. The extra thickness is removed. Okay, this extra thickness deleted of this arm. Now I need to remove the thickness of the other arm too. So for that I will just rotate it so that the other arm joins here. So in this one now if I again select it, yeah, exactly it is that extra thickness is removed here too. So I can just remove the extra thickness of this arm also. Only the angle is there. So that is also removed. I would like to bring it here. So for that purpose, what I will do is I will select this complete thing. I will just try to make this one to be horizontal. I will just check this yellow angles, this upper arm is horizontal, but it is not looking horizontal. I can just by observing it, I can see it. So what I do is I just aligned it now. I hope it must be. So taking this, I'll just check. See here it is not aligned well. So I cannot see it. So again I will take the entire thing and align it little right. I will turn it little clockwise. Okay, now it is aligned. I hope. Let me just check. Yeah, it is still not. You see, and the line and this one are crossing. So again I will select the entire thing and just turn it right clockwise. 1 by 1 degree I have turned it again. Still it looks like not 1 more degree. I have turned it by 2 degrees. I think now it will be, if I am selecting this, yeah, now it's looking like this line, yellow arms, is almost okay. Okay, even now it is not looking okay, but I just certify that is set. So now after that, what I will do is I'll just take this portion of it. It is coming outside. I haven't chosen correctly. Let me just check if it is no. It is not there. Okay, it is wrong. So I just have to move a little closer, or I can just take it from here. This end, I can take it from here and move it to this side. No, no, I cannot enlarge it. I have just made a mistake. I'll redo again. Okay, I'll start from this point and I will just go up. No, it is not even okay. Now also, I'll just have to take it very exactly. Not okay. Yeah, it is now okay almost. Okay, it's almost okay. I have taken it. It is horizontal. Now I can take it to here and put it in this place where the vertices are okay. Okay now. So I have put at most three. The next fourth one, it should come here exactly. For that, what I should do is I like to rotate this entire figure and make either this is horizontal or this is horizontal, but it is easy to make the blue arms one as horizontal. So I am making this as horizontal, but it seems this blue arm is not horizontal. So I will just turn leftwards. Okay, now it's looking okay. This is horizontal. Let me just check it just by taking. If I select something, it is not exactly. See here, this line and this is coming out. So I just have to select completely this one and then rotate it still this side. Yeah. Now if I see, so if I select something, a box like thing here, even now it is not okay. Let me just again take one and tell it. Yeah, now it's okay. You see this line, horizontal line, and this is horizontal, everything is mixing, so it is okay. So now I'll have to make, I'll have to trim the thickness of the arms of the red angle. So for that I will just make one of this, I will just take this one, this horizontal arm. It is not exactly horizontal as I can guess. Now it seems to be horizontal. Let me take some this thing. You see, it is not exactly. See here, it's not exact. I think. Okay, somewhat okay. So I can just trim it. Not okay. I just have to take it, rotate it a little more. 1.1 degree to the clockwise direction. Okay, I have turned it now. Now if I take it now it's exactly okay. I will trim this one. Okay, so for that I have removed it and I have removed this also, the extra thickness of the arm. Now I'll have to rotate it to remove the thickness of the other arm. For that I'll just rotate it. I'll rotate it, make the other arm horizontal. It's horizontal. This other arm is horizontal. Let me check whether it is exactly horizontal or not. I'll just check by selecting and seeing. See here, it is exactly horizontal. Little anti-clockwise direction is required. Okay, so see here, it is not exactly anti-clockwise direction is required. So I will just go by anti-clockwise by -1 degree. That's it. Now it should be, I'm taking it the fourth angle. I have trimmed the other thick arm also. So I have the angle separately here. The excess trimmed thing are removed. Now if you see it, I just have to make this horizontal come fit here. Okay, this is already in the horizontal position, so I just have to turn it to 180 degree. ,90 degree. This is 90 degree. I wanted to make this arm as 90 degree. So let me just check it now. Okay, it is here. Is it horizontal or not? Entirely it is not horizontal or horizontal. I just have to this side little 1 degree tilt is required. Now it will be horizontal. Horizontal, yes, it's exactly horizontal. But here there is a gap. I have not selected it properly. So what I will do is I will first break up some part of it and then fit it here. This point I will fill it with this part of it, okay, and then I will be able to fit it properly. Otherwise, when I bring this here open, it will block some of the things. I won't be able to fix it. Okay, so for the purpose, I will just this is horizontal. I will keep it as it is. I will again take something from here, something from here. From this point, it should. I will have to take it from here actually. This is horizontal. Uh, Let me take the horizontal portion and then fit it here. That will be nicer then. Okay, so I am taking this portion of it. No, not possible. That cannot be. I just have to keep it central. I'll just take. No, it is not possible. I'll just have to make one of this side. Uh, if I bring this one here, if I bring this one, this is a acute angle. So what to do? I'll just drop a line here. Okay, and then I will do it. For that purpose, what I will do is how to bring it here over. I just have to rotate it this side and then I can bring it. I cannot format it also. Once it comes there, see here, if I bring it here with this one, it is not exactly fitting. Okay, I'll bring it over here. I'll bring it over here. I'll bring it over here. I'll bring it over here, but okay. I'll have to bring this, fit this portion here. Okay, so to fit it, what I'm going to do is I'll have to take out one this thing so that that portion can be affixed to here. So what I'm doing is, see, I'm taking this portion of it, but it is not exactly wound, so I'm just going to take it here. I'm just to cut this portion of it. Even now, here it is not coming to the vertex of it. I'm wrong here, so I'll have to take little left, right. Let me just check. Yeah, now it is exactly fitting. Only thing, it needs to go little left. Okay. Now after this, I can cut this portion of it. Okay. And I'm going to join these two portions. This extra, this cut thing is a waste thing. I'm going to remove it. Here also it is there, little portion of it. I'll cut this too. Okay. Everything trimmed. And this portion I'm going to join here. For that purpose, I'll have to make this vertical. It is not vertical, it is slant. I just have to rotate it anti-clockwise so that it is, yeah, now it is vertical. Let me see how this getting, yeah, it is exactly vertical. Okay, okay, and I'm going to make this two vertical. To make this two vertical, I'll just select it and then rotate it to anti-clockwise to make it vertical. Now it is vertical. This line is vertical, I hope. Let me check once again if it is vertical or not. It is little, no, more distance here, more here, so I just have to rotate it little clockwise 1.1 degree. I have to change. Now I hope it must be exactly fitting. Yeah, but there is a gap. I have not chosen it correctly. I will just take along the line. Yeah, now it is exactly fit. Okay, I'll choose this and I will take it to here. I will align it with this one, and the vertices are now aligned. Okay, in fact it is not okay. I'll just align it in because there is this line left. Okay, I'll again take it from here, and now there is nothing left here, you see. So I'll take it to here. I'll take it and align it with this. Both the vertices are aligned now. Okay, now I'll take this one and make it rotate about clockwise. Okay, clockwise rotated means if I rotate it, no, it is not, there is more gap here, more gap here. I'll have to little move it anti-clockwise. I just have to rotate it anti-clockwise by 9. Now it looks, it is horizontal. Let me see, yeah, it is a horizontal exactly now. The baseline and this baseline of the arm red are coinciding. It little, very little anti-clockwise. Oh God, not 6 or 5, 1. 1 point I have printed. If I take it now, I'll take it along this line because it must be a 90-degree angle. No, I have not chosen correctly. I just have to move left, little left. No, it is moving with the patch, so I will just have to do like this. Even now it is not okay. It's not okay. Yeah, now it is exactly. So now it is exactly fitting 90-degree. Okay. This patch I will bring it here. I'll bring it here to make it that patch, it is not patched and it is from above the blue line also, and adjacent to it. Now it's exactly fitting. Now you see no gaps mixed. Only I had to cut this one to make it fix. Now all the four angles, green, red, nothing overlapped, everything, no gaps in between. Okay. So it is now exactly 360-degree because the angle around this is 360-degree. So I'll just draw a circle over it and then tell you that it is this. Okay. If I draw a circle like this, if that is the center, I just have to move something like this, and then I'll have to move it over to here. This complete angle is 360-degree. Okay. So the sum of the four angles, green, red, blue and yellow, the interior angles of the quadrilateral, the sum is equal to 360-degree. Okay. So this completes the activity. I hope you enjoyed the activity. Thank you.